Welcome to the North Pole Spa. I'm Mrs. Claus, and today we're bringing a little holiday magic into the treatment room. This is the Naughty and Nice Facial, a holiday facial treatment featuring Santa Claus and the Grinch. Now, every facial starts with good intentions, but sometimes there's a little chaos behind the scenes, especially when the Grinch gets involved. Santa's skin today is actually in really good shape, clear, balanced, nothing too reactive, so this treatment is all about maintaining his glow, calming the skin, and giving him a moment to slow down during the busiest time of the year. We're combining deep cleansing, a gentle exfoliation, and a few unexpected twists along the way because no holiday treatment ever goes exactly as planned. Enjoy the process from start to finish, and if you love festive, results-driven facials like this one, make sure you're subscribed, and there's much more content coming for you soon. Let's begin! We're starting with a deep first cleanse using a charcoal cleanser, perfect for lifting surface debris, excess oil, and yes, even a little chimney soot from the pores. This is a great all-around cleanser from SkinScript that leaves the skin feeling clean without stripping, and it sets the stage for every step that follows, so the skin is properly prepped and balanced. For the second cleanse, we're using the Circadia Amandala Cleanser, a holiday favorite for gently refreshing the skin without overdoing it, with lactic acid to smooth and hydrate and mandelic acid to brighten and clarify. This cleanser helps refine texture while keeping the skin calm and comfortable. It's the perfect step to polish the skin and prepare it for everything that follows. Next, we're applying the SkinScript Golden Pear Enzyme, a perfect holiday exfoliation that refreshes the skin while keeping it comfortable. This formula combines fruit enzymes with 5% lactic acid to gently exfoliate, brighten, and smooth the skin while supporting hydration. It also has the most subtle, warm pear scent that makes the step feel extra indulgent. Apply a thin layer to the face and lightly manipulate with your fingertips. Steam can be added if desired. For first-time guests or more sensitive skin, a buffer can be used to customize the treatment. After 7 to 10 minutes, remove with a warm towel to reveal a softer, more radiant glow. We're applying the SkinScript Charcoal Refining Mask. And yes, this one was a last-minute switch courtesy of the Grinch. This mask uses activated charcoal to draw out impurities and excess oil, while kaolin clay helps purify the skin and refine the appearance of pores. Niacinamide supports the skin barrier and helps keep the complexion calm and balanced. It's especially beneficial for congested or combination skin and leaves the skin feeling clean, refreshed, and healthy. Apply an even layer to the face, allow it to process for several minutes, then remove with warm towels. Next, we're moving into red LED light therapy. Think of this as a cozy reset for the skin during the holiday season. Red LED helps stimulate collagen, improve circulation, and calm inflammation, allowing the skin to repair and rejuvenate. It's the perfect moment in the treatment to slow things down and let the skin recover. Now I'm applying the Lemieux Derma Relief Serum to deeply hydrate and soothe the skin. This lightweight oil serum is formulated with calming and reparative ingredients that help reduce redness, support the skin barrier, and restore moisture after exfoliation and LED therapy. We're also using this serum as our slip for the ice globes, allowing them to glide smoothly across the skin while enhancing circulation and calming the complexion. Wow, take a look at his skin. Calm, hydrated, and glowing. Just the way we like it this time of year. A little extra love goes a long way during the winter months. Now, Santa's all freshened up and ready for a very busy night delivering presents. Be sure to subscribe and share with someone who loves skincare. And just when we thought we were done,